hardcore. Okay. So the camera's just like right there, and then the guy just comes and just like, hey, hey! And the scene guy comes on. Come on, don't be like that. For one day. Blah, 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 and then, do you pick it in line? Yeah, it feels fine. Yeah, this time. And he gets up on the toilet, holding the, and it goes like this, girl. Every girl. Oh yeah, tell me what to do, girl. Meantime, this guy just runs outside, and then he gets up on the palm tree. Yeah, move like that. Yeah, move like that. Then they run into a bedroom, and then they're doing this thing like where it comes to that chorus again. And then the line of people runs in again. Oh yeah, tell me what to do. Yeah. So it's not. Whoa, I'm so in love with you. Uh-oh. And it goes through this like acapella thing where they're like, oh. And then the guy. And then they start doing this. Come on, girl, I need you. Everything down. Okay, this is the best part. Scene guy's in the middle, and then the other two guys on the east side of it, and the scene guy goes, scene guy goes, come on, girl, I need you. This is, oh, no.